Beautiful people, this is the reaction I love, and this is one of the reasons why I still keep doing makeup every time and again. My best friend looked in the mirror and this was all her reaction. This was what she could just say. You guys don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below. Please stay tuned and watch this video to the end. There are a lot of stuff we're gonna keep talking about. Mwah. Love you guys. So today I'm gonna be doing my bestie's makeup. She came all the way from Canada to see me. It's her birthday, so we want to do a birthday makeup shoot. I hope you guys are really gonna enjoy this and do it with us. We're gonna say it last.
It's been 1 year, 3 months,
Oh my
and
God.
2 days.
She's the mathematician. She's quite brilliant.
I've not had makeup on my face in a while.
So
How many things you can do when you don't have children? Like come back from work on a Friday evening and decide to start driving to the US, without planning it.
Yeah.
That's the luxury right now. I'm going to enjoy it while it lasts.
Yeah.
This is not my channel. I should not talk too much. It's funny, Sha. We start talking about children. This talk about this is where you have to insert
We had a lot of catching up to do. In the meantime, I brushed up our brows and started drawing the eyebrows with a Davies pencil in the shape I wanted. I tried to follow a natural brow shape and the hack as diligently as possible to avoid unnecessary cleaning up with the concealer. Now I'm using the Early Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn and Beautiful Bronze to gently clean up the unwanted areas I didn't like and probably carve out our eyebrows. After doing that hyperpigmentation, but it wasn't so bad, I blended it out to prevent harsh lines. On top of our brows, I went in again with the same beautiful browns, sorry guys, to give me a better finishing. I really like this method because I was able to achieve much more.
you do right in your makeup.
Your skin work sets your makeup apart.
Really?
Yeah, it does.
So like you have to have like a flawless skin too.
Not necessarily a flawless skin, but the makeup application is trying to make it as flawless as possible, and that means that you have to blend. Using another transition shade from the Magic palette by Juvia in Kogi to make it more. I went back in with the Nubian 2 Juvia's Place palette and used the color in Jezebel and Kenya to continue blending the crease area to get the desired crease look I wanted. I was going to be doing a cut crease and I used my Fawn concealer to cut out a crease in the perfect shape I wanted. When you're doing this, you have to be extraordinarily careful because you do not want it to go out of the line or before the line. I went back again with Kenya and Jezebel just to darken out the edge of the cut crease. Then I used the color Oshun and Faso as my lead color. I just went in gently in a pat motion to get in more product as possible and to make it as pigmented as possible. And I the NYC eyeliner in extreme black. I went in with the Maybelline colossal mascara to take out the fallout and prepare our eyelash using the Garbie'Signature eyelash brand in the style Tito. This is really long, fluffy, and it's reusable up to 25 times. You guys should slide into the DM on Instagram and other way. I went in with a foundation using a blending sponge and went in a dabbing motion to dab it in. In this way, it makes the foundation seep in and not just stay on the surface of our skin. I tried to do it one part of her face at a time. I went in a round, blending in a pat motion, and I made sure I had also we have to talk about. My friend got married like over a year ago, and she's one of those people that when you get married, you go off social media. Like,
it's a lie. I've been on social media.
Who does that? So I went in with a flat foundation brush, using it to spread out the foundation. Yes, I'm using a foundation instead of a concealer, as everyone properly knows. At times, you could use foundations to highlight your face, and it's going to come out well. But what you should note is you have to use a foundation that has a thick consistency, and that's what I'm doing here. I'm blending it out, and I'm going in with the black opal soft velvet finishing powder in the shade medium. I'm using this because she's dark skinned and I do not want to use the banana powder that everyone knows because it's going to give it a white cast. Later in, I went in with the Maybelline powder in the shade Cacao to contour the areas of her face I wanted hidden. Now she's doing the happy dance.
I absolutely cannot believe that I look like this.
Contouring her nose using the same Maybelline powder in Cacao and slimming it down with my fingers just to give it a flawless finish. I'm dusting off the excess velvet powder that I used to set her face using her face powder, and also using a fresh brush just to dust off the excess powder. Now I'm doing a reverse contour using a lighter shade of powder to contour her face, and I'm going to blend it out later. I'm using the BMpro blush in orange. I'll try and look for the name and put it in the description box below. I'm using this because it has an orange tone, one of the colors I use to blend her eyeshadow. I'm setting her face using the e.l.f. setting spray, and I'm going in with my favorite palette as of now is the ABH Nicole Guerriero palette. Do not be afraid, there is nothing blending out would not do as regards the highlight. I went in her lips using the Zaron lip pencil in Cappuccino. I went in with a sleek lip gloss in Matte Me and in the color Brink Pink. I used another sleek lip gloss in Eye Shine just to give it a glossy look. And I later went in with a white eyeshadow primer as the white one I'm taking over her lips and blending it together. She absolutely loved this look and I loved creating with her. Thank you guys for watching. Staying tuned to the end. This is the end of my bestie's makeup and I really hope to do this more frequently. If you guys like what you guys watched today, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. I would love to know what you think about this look and what other looks you would like me to recreate. Love you guys. Thank you so much for staying tuned and turning into my channel. Till another time, stay blessed.